With the rotor back on the car and the wheel bearing tensioned, it's time to get the caliper and the pistons back on.
Here's the most critical part of this project. Your caliper sits like that on the rotor, and your piston has to go in with this lip at 20 degrees from perpendicular. You rotate it, measure that, and then you'll put it in at that same angle.
Just so that they're here, these are diagrams that show templates to get the angle right. You can also do it by hand.
After finding center on the bore, I marked it with a Sharpie and did the same on the piston.
I can now put them into the caliper and line them up accordingly. Remember, it'll be mirrored on the other side, so be careful before setting them in. The front and rear calipers have different sized pistons, so don't mix the two. These are aftermarket versions from A&W Imports in New Jersey. Yep, not centerline and not classic Alfa, but these guys know their stuff. They went in like a breeze. I'm not sponsored by them. They just make great products. We're finally ready to get these calipers back on the car. Torque down your carrier bolts to 56 and then 62 foot-pounds. Get your pads and slide them into the proper position. Put the pins in and the tensioner clip. Now is also a good time to replace your brake hoses if you haven't done that already. Mine are new, so I won't be doing this step. Take the punch that you used to get the pins out and use it to put them back in. Then bleed your brakes, and it's time to go break in your new pads. Seating them is crucial for their success, so I'll see you in the next video.